Open Google Maps on your smartphone. Type in the city name in the search bar and locate the city on the map. Open the detailed view and then click on Download at the bottom. Adjust the map area according to your travel route and the key locations that you would be visiting. Click on the download button to start the offline map download process. Wait for the download to complete. Ensure you have a stable internet connection during this process. Once downloaded, you could access your Google Maps by going to the offline section in the Google Maps menu. Your offline menu will show your location and provide directions even without an internet connection. Happy travels, everybody!